Hello, this is my Sinatra project recording. This is kind of what I have right now. So I will sign up. Let's do, name is Peter Kim, username. Let's do Peter's account. Password, just anything, 123. Never. Okay. And then if we add a team, let's say main team, and then size is 1. Then let's do add Pokemon. If we do Nidoran, or actually Nidoqueen, type normal, gender female, nature serious, health 31, 31, 31, 31, 31, 31. Let's create Pokemon, and then now we have it here underneath my team, and then Nidoqueen. And then if I comment on it, let's say, oh my god, cool Pokemon, and submit it, the comment appears. Okay, so what I want to work on today is if I'm logged in, then I go to the index route, it basically should redirect me to my user page instead of logging me out, essentially. So if we go to the code, if we go to my application controller and the route that is responsible for rendering that index page, if I do a if session, let's do user ID. So if a user exists, then actually redirect to let's close out these tabs real quick, and then let's actually redirect to the user's slug. So this one right here. Let's redirect to users, and then users. Uh-oh, you gotta use this one. Uh-oh, gotta use double quotes. And then hashtag session. I actually have it saved in user slug, so I'm gonna use user slug here. And then let's do else, and then end that. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so let's actually log in. Let's use the account we did earlier, which was totally forgot. Oh, Peter account, and then 1, 2, 3. Let's log in, and then let's redirect back to the home page, and it's not working. Okay. Get do session user ID. Huh. Okay, well then let's do a binding pry here. And then let's try that. Login Peter's account 1, 2, 3. Huh. Okay. Is it just binding.pry? And then let's return to the index. Interesting. Okay, okay, let's see if it's actually hitting this one too. So let's actually do redirect to Pokemons just to test it out. And let's do Peter's account, 1, 2, 3. Huh, okay. Well, let's rerun Rackup. Let's do login, Peter's account, 1, 2, 3. Let's go back to the how. Okay, so it was because we didn't rack up again. Okay. The reason I'm using Rackup is because Shotgun keeps giving me an internal error right now. So right now we'll be using Rackup. Let's change this back to ERB index. Great, and so great, let's get rid of session ID. Let's new window, localhost 9292. All right, let's log out. And then let's log in. Peter's account, 1, 2, 3. Let's try going back to the home page. There we go. It returns to the users page. So we got that. Now, okay. Now we want to basically add, if I don't have anything in one of the fields, I want to make it require it over here. So if I don't have name, I just have username. Uh-oh. Yeah, I want the proper error handling. If I don't have a username, it still creates an account. So let's work on that. So here is handling sign up, user sign up. So if username already exists, username already exists. Okay, so let's do if params users, and then let's do username equals empty string, or params users name equals empty string, or params users password equals empty string. Let's redirect back to users new with actually a flash message saying let's say a field is empty. And then redirect to okay. And then let's do an else clause, and then let's put all of this inside there. And let's see. And uh-oh. Whoops, no brackets. Let's do else. And then let's end the else. And this should work. Let's actually handle the flash message real quick. So the flash message should appear in users new. Okay. So yeah, so the flash message should appear in users new at the very top, or actually right below it. And I believe we have to use rack flash, which we are. Okay, so this should work. Let's try it out. So let's log out. Let's sign up. Let's leave name empty. A field is empty. Okay. Let's leave username empty. A field is empty. Okay. Let's leave password empty. A field is empty. Okay. Perfect. Now let's actually create a new one. So test2, test2, password, sign up. There we go. So it added one. Now name team. So we have to add the empty input checker for the team as well. So let's go to teams controller, let's go to posts, and let's actually do if params teams name equals an empty string, or params teams size equals empty string, then redirect to teams new, else let's do this and end it. Okay, and then we again want to do a flash message. So flash message equals, what was our message for that? A field is empty. Okay, so a field is empty. Is there a period? Okay, a period. And then we gotta require, I believe, use rack flash. Okay, and then we gotta require rack flash. Require rack flash. And then in teams, I believe teams new, we gotta do, that's Pokemon, but let's copy and paste this. It's teams new. And let's put that there. Okay, let's try it out. Rack up. So let's refresh this page. Let's do one. Let's leave it empty. The field is empty. Let's leave that one empty. The field is empty. Okay, so let's make like a test team of size 2. Great, so it makes the team. Now, let's see, what else do we need to add? let's see, so this is, okay, so right now we don't have a route to go to the list of Pokemon, whoops, to this route right here where it basically shows everybody's Pokemons and they're clickable. So let's see, let's go to this Peter C. Kim's users Dugtrio, and then you see its stats, its comments that other people have made, and so there's no place to connect it to, let's say, people's users page. So let's add that. So we got to go to user show, and then we got to make a button somewhere. Let's put a button after, let's say, add team. So where's add team? User.show, where's the button? Okay, so here they are. Add team, let's make a new button. Let's actually copy this down. And then let's make it redirect to Pokemon's. Button, button, button. Okay, and then all Pokemons. Then let's rerun it, rack up. Alright, and then there we go. All Pokemons leads to this database of all Pokemon. Okay, and then if we go back, let's actually go to a team. And then we want it, actually, no, we do not want that here. So let's just keep it here, all Pokemons. And then you see everyone's Pokemon. Now we just have to create this back button. Actually, one thing we have to fix here right now is if I log out and then I log in, let's say to test 2, 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh, okay, test 2. Okay, I forgot the password for that, so let's go to Peter's account, 1, 2, 3. And then if we, let's say, go to all Pokemons and then Dugtrio, since it doesn't belong to me, and then I click the back button here, it actually goes to team main. That if I go back, it belongs to Peter instead of Peter's account. So let's actually fix that. So let's go to team show, and then right here the back arrow, let's actually make it at team.user .slug instead of .slug. Let's actually do at team, let's actually do session user slug. There we go. Then it will go to whoever's logged in, the user that's logged in. And then let's actually go to Pokemon as well. Pokemon.team.slug. Let's actually do session team slug. That should work. And then let's try it. So rack up. And then if we log out, let's go log in. Peter's account, 1, 2, 3. And then let's go all Pokemons. Let's go to Peter C. Kim's Pokemon, and then let's do back. Teams. Okay, so that means session team slug is actually nil. So let's actually go to, so Team Slug. Okay, Team Slug actually doesn't work. Okay. Okay. So, so that logic actually doesn't make sense because Team Slug is actually made here. So let's actually go to Pokemon.show again. We gotta fix this route. So let's go to, let's actually just redirect it to users, session, user, slug. Let's just do that. And then rack up. So let's actually try Peter Kim. Okay, so let's go to all Pokemons. Let's go to Peter C. Kim's Dugtrio. And then we're expecting Peter Kim as the user to appear. Great, so that works. Let's go to Nidoqueen here. This should go to Peter Kim, and then main team as well should go back to. Great, so the back button will just go back to the user page every time. Great, that is all for today. Let's log out. And then I will end this